In this next recording, we're going to work on the education portion of the Common Application. You're going to start off by finding your school. Notice it gives you East Greenwich High School as a top choice because that matches up most closely with the address that you entered earlier. So you can just click there. If it doesn't show up, you could just type the name in here and it will appear down below. So we'll fill in that information. Date of entry, if you are a current senior and you started 4 years ago, then that would be 2017 and in August, so August of 2017. This is not a boarding school. You will graduate from high school, and you're going to graduate in 2021 in June. And for most of you, there's no change in progression. You started as a freshman, you've gone through 4 years or 3.5 years at this point, and you are currently a senior. But you would indicate in this part if you're going to graduate early or if there was some interruption and you're going to graduate late. They'll want to know the reasons behind that. If you've attended any other high schools, if you started a different high school and moved, you would put that information here, just like in the first part. You would have to look up that school. We're going to answer 0 for now. In the next section, colleges and universities, that's if you've taken any advanced coursework at a college or university or at high school through dual enrollment. So some of the courses at East Greenwich High School would qualify for that. Some of you have taken classes through the Advanced Course Network. So I'm going to answer that I took one course that gave me college credit. I looked up the school, and it was Rhode Island College, very similar to the way I looked up the high school. And it was a dual enrollment class with the high school. It could have been a summer program as well that you did. And I'm just going to put that I did at the beginning of my sophomore year, so August of 2018. And because it was a semester course, it would have ended in January of 2019. And I didn't earn a degree. It was just a class, but notice that's not a required question. I'm going to go on to grades. Our class size for this year is 206 students. We do not report class rank, so you're going to answer none. Our GPA scale is a 4.0, so you're going to answer 4. It's a 4.0 GPA scale, although you can get greater than a 4.0, and this is where you're going to enter your weighted GPA. We will give that to you if you need it, and we're going to check off that's the weighted GPA that you're reporting. In this next section, you're going to need a copy of your schedule or your transcript. You're going to list all the courses that you're taking this year as a senior. It will be at least 7, but likely more, probably closer to 10, because many of you are taking lots of semester classes. For the sake of time, I'm just going to put that I'm taking one class, and it's a semester class in advanced basket weaving, because I already passed basket weaving 1. And it's an honors class. You have an opportunity to put down honors, college prep, or AP. And then course schedule, it was a semester course. So we're going to say I took it in semester 1. In the next section, honors, that is if you want to report any honors that were related to academic achievements. So if you won an award maybe at a state or national level for a foreign language, for national merit semifinalists, anything like that. Other awards are going to go in a different part of the Common Application. The community-based organization section, you're going to answer 0. We're not a school that ties into community-based organizations. Those would be a lot of schools in Providence and Central Falls that work with organizations like the Rhode Island Children's Crusade. And then future plans, they just want to know a little bit more about you. If you're not sure, that's okay. But if you have an idea of what you'd like to do someday, then you would indicate that. There are options to put undecided there as well. And that's it for this section.